Hi, my name is Alna from twinsmommy.com, and for today I'm going to be talking about the best affiliate programs for new bloggers. Now, are you interested in making money? I've been starting affiliate marketing for many years, and I've made some money every month. It's not my main income stream, but I like it because it's a side income for me. So if you're interested as a new blogger, you can really grow your affiliate income because there's so many bloggers out there that make six figures just with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not doing that, right? Because I have other income streams. I do want to recommend the tools and resources to get started with affiliate marketing that's, great for new bloggers, as well as share some other programs that you might be interested in a variety of different niches as well, because not everyone is doing parenthood or everyone's doing blogging related content like I am. If you're unsure about what affiliate marketing is, let's just go through a quick definition to help you through this. As the affiliate marketer or blogger, you are forming a partnership with other affiliate programs, other products that you're going to recommend to your audience. And these businesses provide you with a unique link that's specific to you and your brand, so that when you use those links and people click on them, you can get a kickback or commission based on if they bought that, or depending on the guidelines for that program, it could just be getting people to their page, and then whatever they do click on and buy, you can get a commission off of that. So this is a great mutual relationship between businesses and bloggers. They get to gain brand recognition by other people promoting it. So when you think of something like Creative Market, like Tailwind, like Canva, they're growing their brand by having everyone recommend them. And so that people are like, oh, okay, someone that's brand new, I should probably use maybe something like Tailwind to automate my Pinterest marketing strategy kind of thing. So to get started with affiliate marketing, it's best to choose your topic or your focus on your blog. Now, when I started Twins Mommy, at that point, I had not done any type of affiliate marketing, and I wanted to try these new things that I heard other bloggers were doing. So, when I was reading other mom blogs, other bloggers, they were doing affiliate marketing and they were doing Pinterest. So I definitely started with Pinterest, and then I started dabbling in with affiliate marketing. And because of that, I am now making a healthy income with some of my affiliates. I can pop in some of my affiliate income here, and you can see these are just a part. I didn't have enough time to round up all my affiliates, but this is just some of the ones that I could grab right now. After you choose the program that you want to be an affiliate for, then you need to sign up to them, and then you start promoting them. So when you start promoting them, you can promote them based on the terms and conditions for their program. You can promote them in emails, on social media, in blog posts. You can even promote them if you're like in a summit and the person that curated all the summit people, if they allow affiliate links, and they, maybe they could become an affiliate for your course, and then you can recommend your course, and then they get a percentage of people signing up to your course, right? So there's this mutual benefit between both of the people that you're connecting with online kind of thing. That's one of the great things about affiliate marketing, is that you get to collaborate with other people, other businesses that you want to, basically. Now, regarding payment for these affiliate products, each program, each product has a different payment structure. Some pay a percentage of each sale made, and others pay a flat fee. Some pay a referral fee, and then other ones just have a combination of both. Now, typically payments are made monthly, and sometimes there's like a threshold before you can get your pay. So something like with Amazon, you do need to make 3 sales in 180 days. Once you meet that threshold, then you can start getting income from Amazon. All right, let's look at my top recommendations for getting started with affiliate marketing. Is Amazon. With Amazon, like I said, you do need 3 sales in 180 days. So it may not be the best to start with, but this is what I did with my niche website, and I was able to make those 3 sales within that time frame. So depending on your niche, I would say things that are like lifestyle based do well with affiliate marketing. So I would definitely work on that with home decor, makeup, even automotive could work too, and some tech as well. Think about that niche, and if it fits nicely and you can find products that, might need a big breakdown, a how-to guide, things like that, then you could do well with giving people the right information about these products. But with Amazon, the one downfall is that you don't earn a lot of commission. It does say you can earn up to 10% with associate commissions. I earn around $200 a month for one of my niche sites, and $300 for all of my Amazon marketing. So I know there's people that can make thousands a month. I just haven't hit that. It is harder because you do have to, promote very pricey things to get a good commission. commission from those products. The next one is GoDaddy. So if you have, a blog that's more tech related, then maybe you can promote something like GoDaddy for domain registration. It does say that they are partnered with CJ Affiliate. So that is an affiliate network. Like ShareASale, you can definitely sign up to CJ Affiliate and have different merchants, and one of them is GoDaddy. It doesn't say what the commission rate is, but it is competitive, so that's something to look into. The next one is Bluehost or your hosting services. So it's Bluehost and SiteGround, depending on what host you want to promote and use. I've used both. I really like Bluehost because it's cheaper for new bloggers and they have excellent customer service. I just did not find that with SiteGround, but it's up to you. A lot of lifestyle blogs have a start a blog post because, these readers want to start that type of blog. If they read a food blog and this food blogger is making lots of money with their blog, then they want to start a blog too that's in the food niche. So a lot of these blogs will have a start a blog post. So that's something that you can do. You can earn $65 at least with Bluehost, $65 for each qualified sign up. So it does add up. With SiteGround, it's a tiered system here, so you can see what you can earn. The other one is Creative Market. I use Creative Market. I'm not sure if I'm an affiliate for them actually, but I use them for my guides, my lead magnets, and some of my products. So if this is your world, if you do design, then you can become an affiliate for Creative Market. And for something like Canva. I don't have this on my list, but Canva is definitely similar to Creative Market. And here you earn 20% for new customers and 10% on returning customers and 30% on membership signups. It does seem to pay well. The next one is Target. Again, if you're in the lifestyle niche, Target could work in relation to Amazon. So if you're not successful with Amazon, maybe try Target. They do offer an 8% commission rate. There's Tailwind. Now, if you're interested in doing some automation content on your blog, like I do, maybe you talk about blogging, content marketing, online businesses, then you can promote something like Tailwind. You do earn 25% in reoccurring affiliate commission. So I do referral commission rates. So I don't know if that's an option now, but I did sign up to Tailwind when it first started, basically. So perhaps it's different now, but I like Tailwind. I still use it, and I do use it a little bit differently. So I might talk about that in an upcoming video if you like, but Tailwind is used for Instagram and for Pinterest marketing. Definitely become an affiliate for your email service provider. So if you use MailerLite, MailChimp, ConvertKit, whatever you use, see if they have an affiliate program. I use ConvertKit, so I do promote ConvertKit in my blog posts, in lead magnets as well, and in my courses. That's something to consider. I don't talk about them too much lately. I've been focusing on affiliate marketing and YouTubing, but this is definitely an income generator. They do have a good affiliate program, 30% commission rate. And since this is a subscription, it's nice to get that reoccurring income. And then the last one is bloggers, products and courses and things like that. So if you follow other bloggers and they have courses, see if they have an affiliate program. I do for Twins Mommy and for my freelancing site, Elna Kane. So it's a 30% commission rate. And these are my products and the prices of those products. It is a net 30 payout with a 365-day cookie, and it's all handled by Teachable. So I go through how to sign up and stuff. Typically, I do want you to go through one of my products, my courses, in order to promote that affiliate. But definitely a lot of bloggers will have their own affiliate program, and you get better commission rates. Some offer even up to 60% commission rate. Check that out and see if you can find some good ones, especially ones that you've used, that you trust. And then the last bit I'm going to share with you is just a blog post with some more affiliate programs. So here it is. So I mentioned Bluehost and SiteGround and ConvertKit. I haven't mentioned Ultimate Bundles. I was a part of Ultimate Bundles in the beginning. I shared one of my courses, but this is great for bloggers in general. They'll have specific ones for like homemakers, for creators and things like that. So you can definitely become an affiliate and then market the right bundle to your audience. You do get a 40% commission rate to become a contributor and 70% commissions. So, they're pretty high. Bundles range between $37 to $97. So that's a good affiliate to get into. There's also BC Stack, Blogging Concentrated, and they offer a 50% commission rate. So you get $19.50 per sale for every time you promote their BC Stack. There's Grammarly. Grammarly is a nice affiliate. It's one of my most popular affiliates for my writing community, and they have a good commission rates. So you can make about $20 for each time someone signs up to Grammarly, which is not too bad and adds up. And then if you are in fashion or travel or food, these ones would work for you. A lot of these are networks. So like ShareASale is a network. I have CG Affiliate is a network. FabFitFun is a subscription box, as well as KiwiCrate. So you can look into that. Wayfair, great for home decor. And then all these here, this is more planners. And then for teaching and stuff like that, educational stuff, Scholastic Wellness. There's Target, there's Affiliate Network, and then some lifestyle things here. So there's a lot here in this list. I'll drop it in the description below so you can take a look and see if any of these you can sign up to. There's a lot here. So have fun. Oh, that should say 32, not 22. But there you go. So I hope you liked this list of best affiliate programs for new bloggers. Let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these affiliate programs, if you're making any money, if you have any questions. I can definitely create more YouTube videos around affiliate marketing. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.